step by step.
Stop. Music stopped. You have to stop. Walk a little closer. But we don't touch the presents. Come to your stockings. One at a time.
Bailey goes first. Okay, Bailey. Open yours.
Open. Open hers and give her one and let her get it occupied.
Mommy, can you open it now?
Huh?
Yeah. Yes, we could. Mommy, look at it.
Guys, you guys each have a bin.
Please tell me it's underwear. What is it?
Do you know what it is, Isaiah? No.
What? iPod?
No.
What?
It's your own tablet.
Your own mini computer.
My turn. My turn. Look, I got the biggest present here. I got a tablet. Oh my God! I got the Kids on Fire.
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you think about that? Wow, that's pretty sweet.
My turn, right?
Oh my gosh, there's a few games and activities books on there.
That's almost better than the iPod.
Yep. Whoa. What do you think, you're a mini mommy or something?
Oh my, Isaiah. Oh my gosh, Maya. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
All right. Roller skate. Isaiah, take off the shoe.
I knew it if I.
You that excited? That's Noah. That's Isaiah. That's from Mommy and Daddy. Say thank you to Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you. Hey, why is there
Okay, focus on the bike, right? You say thank you to Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you, Papa.
Whoa. The bike. Excuse me.
It's not for you.
Okay,
What you
take your
think?
bike.
Take your bike.
And scram, kid.
And don't ever lose it again.
Yeah, and don't ruin it.
Lock it up.
Move,
Go,
guys,
Go,
move.
move.
So he can
Move.
Put it up.
Put it.
Just go, Isaiah.
Gee whiz.
Alright, and this is from Tati.
For who?
For Noah and Isaiah.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa. We know how to ride these.
Oh, that's nice, right?
Figure it out.
We don't
They're the
ride
same size?
Yeah. I think they could probably adjust it.
Noah.
Wait,
Want
don't.
one?
Let's see if it works before you start.
You want one?
Turn on. I think you have to turn them on.
There he goes. You should have a helmet on. Oh, they weren't charged?
I thought they were. My friend said he charged them. Hey! Yes, for your glasses on the seat. That's a balance. Hello.